who actually picks up BG3 and decides to be a hummingbird. You beat me? Get a life.
I love protecting my eggs and living peacefully.
No peace for you, loser.
Take this, no life bird.
Eagle is the best bird, no doubt.
Coming in hot. Got any seeds?
Go away, peck spammer.
A-M-U-U-A. A-H. What a great day for butterfly hunting.
I have my sights locked on that kiwi. I will have a good lunch.
I love walking through the serene forest.
Goodbye.
My last wish is to nerf Penguin.
Why can't I eat the fish through ice?
Easy meat.